I am eating breakfast now. She is brushing her teeth. He is washing his face. They are getting dressed. We are cooking lunch. The children are playing outside. My mom is making tea. I am writing a letter. He is reading a book. She is cleaning the room. We are walking to school. The teacher is teaching English. I am opening the window. She is drinking water. He is driving a car. They are waiting for the bus. I am taking a shower. We are studying for the exam. She is listening to music. He is watching TV. School and study. The students are doing homework. I am writing in my notebook. She is learning new words. He is solving a math problem. The teacher is explaining the lesson. We are drawing pictures. They are answering questions. I am practicing English grammar. She is reading a story. He is checking his answers. The children are sitting in the classroom. We are looking at the blackboard. She is asking a question. He is giving a presentation. I am using a computer. They are discussing the project. We are writing an essay. She is memorizing new vocabulary. He is repeating the sentence. The students are preparing for the test. Work and jobs. I am working in the office. She is typing an email. He is answering the phone. They are having a meeting. We are planning a project. My boss is talking to the client. I am sending a message. She is filing documents. He is repairing the computer. They are building a house. We are designing a website. The manager is checking reports. I am writing a business letter. She is taking notes. He is giving instructions. They are discussing new ideas. We are preparing a presentation. The workers are carrying boxes. She is printing the paper. He is fixing the car. Fun and leisure. I am playing football. She is dancing to the music. He is singing a song. They are watching a movie. We are going shopping. The children are swimming. I am taking photos. She is painting a picture. He is playing guitar. They are laughing together. We are eating ice cream. She is talking on the phone. He is visiting his friend. They are traveling to the city. I am riding a bicycle. She is practicing piano. He is running in the park. We are playing a game. The dog is barking loudly. The baby is sleeping peacefully. General and random. I am waiting at the bus stop. She is looking at the stars. He is standing near the door. They are walking in the garden. We are sitting on the bench. The sun is shining brightly. It is raining heavily. The wind is blowing. I am holding a pen. She is opening the book. He is closing the door. They are talking about sports. We are smiling at each other. The cat is chasing a mouse. The birds are flying in the sky. I am waiting for my friend. She is helping her mother. He is looking out of the window. They are clapping their hands. We are celebrating a birthday. Thank you for watching.